height of the pelvis is the same as the head, one head. So I draw here a box, a block, a rectangular shape here. And this is going to be the shape of the pelvis. Well, the stereometric rendering, right, of the pelvis, meaning the geometric. So this is going to be the box that contains the pelvis, right? And this is the box that contains the ribcage. That's the box that contains the head. So I'm blocking the volumes of the that contain the axial skeleton eventually, when we will develop the skeleton. So axial skeleton is the skeleton that is connected via the spine, right? With the axis of the spine, which includes head, ribcage, and sacrum. But I prefer to include in the axial skeleton also the rest of the pelvis, because it's more convenient for artists to do so, and it makes our measurement much easier. So now we can block in the anterior plane of the ribcage. That you can see the anterior plane is a little bit lower than the posterior plane, and it's 1/3 of one head from the chin. So I come down from the chin, right, from the chin down here, and then I draw the anterior plane. Now let me show you in the chart from my book what this looks like on the side view. This will explain this line here much better. So this is the side view. See that? This is the side view. That's the posterior, the height of the posterior plane here. That's the anterior plane. So it come down at the slope like that. So it's seen from the front. Now we will have this rectangle here, right? Okay, so now let's block in. So we could also check the measurement for the, so we obtain the measurement of the ribcage indirectly, right, by carving out a piece here and carving out a piece in here. But the measurement of the ribcage, the height of the ribcage, is 1 5/8. Well, let's see if it is, right, because, so 1, so now we have 1, 4, and it's about here, right? And 5/8 right here. No, what am I doing? Here. So let's see if it is, right? 1, and then we have 4 and 5/8. So let's see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about here, right? And it's that, right? So that's good. So now we can block in here the base of the neck here, right? So the base of the neck is about half a head in width. Let's see if it is, right? I block it in, and now I'm going to check if that's half a head. It should be a little bit, yeah, I guess it works, right? Meaning, for the measurement of a quarter of a head, like this, half a head, we can start guessing them, estimating them as part of the exercise. But we also then want to check, after we have estimated, block it down, the measurement that we think it should be, then we check, we measure, right? Because we want to end up with a chart that is fairly precise. Now, we're going to divide this, the height of the pelvis, in 4 equal horizontal segments. And as you can see, I estimated the measurement, and now I'm going to see if they are correct. So this is, let's say, half. That's half, good enough. This is a quarter, right? And this is a quarter, about, it's about the quarter, and that's, so that's good enough. So now here, along these lines, right, we're going to find specific landmarks that we will discuss later in another video.